first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.
Good morning. Guess what? We're going paddleboarding. I finally ordered a paddleboard. It's like my first day off in what feels like years, but it's been months. Okay. Anyway, but we're gonna go to Trader Joe's first and maybe another store. We'll see. Then we're gonna pick some up at the Trader Joe's. We're in my mom's car. The van's still in the shop. We bought our fridge so we can get whatever groceries we want, and then we're gonna go head towards the lake to go paddleboarding. I'm super excited. I just got this new paddleboard and I cannot wait to use it. So yeah, grab some stuff. Guys, we found this store by accident. Incredible. This is what we needed. All right, so we made it to where I think I remember there being a trail to go to the lake. But look, there's a little farmer's market happening here. So we're gonna go check it out. Also, look, I got new shorts. Woo.
Down. I'm gonna go to the
Sourdough.
I'm gonna go to the free samples.
Wow, it's so nice. Amanda loves stuff like this.
So shy. It is cheesy. Maui onion.
All right, I swapped over to my GoPro now. We are heading towards the trail. There's some other paddleboarders there, so I know I'm in the right spot.
What am I supposed to pump it to?
No. We could Google it. Oh yeah, I think we can find a spot and then you could take the bag back. Do you want to do that? So we don't have to have it with us. I think I remember taking, I'm going off of memory here. I feel like I took a right. Should we take a right or left, you think? I think I took a right. Then somewhere went down that way. I don't want to go straight down that. Oh my god.
No, I'm looking. I
think I took a right.
It is.
And there was a path, and then there was a little table somewhere down there. There's what?
It's gonna take forever.
We'll take turns. Paddleboarders. All right, it's all done up. Colt's just dropping the bag back off at the car, and then we're gonna head out. The water's right there. You guys, I'm scared. I forgot what this is like. If you're not stable, you should sit or go on your knees. Oh my god. Are you stable? Dude, I don't want to fall in the water. Yeah. Not right now, at least. Let's take it easy. Whichever way you want to go. The cool bridge is over there. Looks like there's less people over there. No, I don't know.
Let's go where there's less
that way. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Goosey.
There was more. Oh, they left. I got a lot of footage of the one.
What's up, Goosey Goose?
Party going on over there.
Hi, silly goose.
I even took some pictures.
Hi, Goosey.
So I want to too.
Hey, Dad, see the 50 right there. Look at him. He got in. I know.
Oh, he looks like he's gonna fall. Doing good though. Oh, so far. Don't crash into me. You did it. You look like you're gonna fall though. Something's happening over there.
I see speakers.
Is that a food truck?
Stage.
I'm hungry, but we should just eat jerky. I don't want to spend money. And then we go home and eat something. We should go towards that way. It looks pretty. Yeah, I should have. And then we should go check out the bridge, see if anyone's jumping. My sister said teenagers were jumping off that bridge.
I'll do it.
No, you will not.
Come on.
Danger. If you guys are vegetarian, you should try this. It's delicious.
It is. It's my favorite flavor of the ones they have.
Really? Why?
Because I love you, and that's not what people who love each other do.
Okay, so we just got off the water. We were gonna go home to my mom's house, but she needs us to pick her up from work. So we're gonna go get food, maybe, and drink at this cafe that I've gone to before. It was really good. And yeah, the water was fun. There's a lot of people out on the water though.
Order for Samantha at the bar. You hate him too.
I know, but alright. Tacos. Is that yours? Oh, that's mine.
I got no
Breakfast taco. Not very loaded up.
Carnitas.
It's so skinny. I load tacos up.
I was
I'm
literally
starving
just thinking
though.
on mine.
We are starving now. So we'll have to do. There's one.
Like, I know. I'm just
I got a
thinking that.
Cholula.
Oh, that sauce is good.
Let's try the matcha. It's not paper.
I didn't even think about that.
But,
Let's try this sparkling
I haven't
limeade.
had matcha in so long. That's a lie. I had matcha the other day, but
It's pretty good.
for that I hadn't had it in so long.
It's tasted. It's basically a non-alcoholic margarita.
Good?
Really. That's fire.
Yeah? He hires like real people, like make really good people, not just make whatever.
I should have told him one chicken, one carnita so I could prepare.
Good, but I would just load it up more. So skinny.
There's barely any egg in it.
No. Good though. This sauce, whatever sauce this is, let's go.
You didn't want mushroom in it?
I didn't say no mushroom, I just said no bacon.
You know, bacon.
Oh, right there. An extra
It's
charge?
mushroom. No, it's mushroom or bacon.
I just said no bacon. I didn't know if it was.
Make that jump.
No.
A little higher. Not like a couple years ago, remember when you jumped in and it would pull you?
Yeah.
So have you stood up yet on it? She's leaving without you. Samantha, you should have put a life jacket on. Did you get the life jacket? He's drowning. So did Eddie's brother. She's not on that thing, is
Hey, it'll be fun to start from over here. Let it pull you, you know?
Yeah, we just got that, so we don't even.
Oh, really? We got on one. It was pretty fun, but it was in a lake.
Oh yeah, we've been on them before in the lake too.
Yeah.
It was, the ones we were on were heavier than that. Not quite as big.
Well, we got pretty lucky. We went to Lake of the Pines, one of my friends, and they had like the boats and the sea things and all that kind of stuff. It was pretty fun.
Bye.
Oh, damn.
She just
Oh,
thought
bye.
that because we could both get off because it's got a 1,200-pound weight limit.
Oh, that's cool. Lake of the Pines? Oh, this one was
It's by College Time.
it's Poly Pines. Yeah, yeah. It's a big old like HOA kind of thing that you go in and my friend, his mom and dad lived there. Yeah, yeah. His mom and dad lived there, so I got pretty lucky. I was able to go in. Oh, that thing's huge, man. Yeah, there's lake houses around the whole thing, and then they even have like little sections where you can go fish and stuff like that. They got the boats out there. It was pretty fun. It was a good experience.
You don't have anything happy. Just fight. Let me take it away. What do you even want to go with?
Yeah, I was just messing with some rocks. I need to get a flat one. These are all big ones.
That's the perfect skipping rock.
Oh yeah, see, oh that's perfect. There you go. How many you got? Ah, okay. You got a long one.
I know that was a big old jump.
You didn't get that? Yeah.
Yeah, I got 3, but it was
But it was, you could have got a good 5 out of that. Let's see.
And you skip it onto the platform.
Oh, okay.